Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your browser and Meet are updated, because audio capture often fails on old builds. Next, choose what to present. Share a Chrome tab captures system audio, whereas Share entire screen usually does not. Once done, grant microphone and screen permissions in your OS and browser settings so Meet can access audio streams. If you need system audio mixed with mic, open the tab first and test the tab's audio standalone to confirm it plays before you present to the meeting. Now, in the Meet window, click Present and pick the specific Chrome tab, then check the box labeled Share Tab Audio. This is the crucial toggle that sends system sound. Make sure you mute your local speakers or reduce microphone sensitivity to prevent feedback. Adjust the mic slider in Meet settings so your voice sits above the tab audio. Also, control the media's volume inside the tab or use Chrome's tab audio controls to balance levels. This prevents distortion and keeps participants hearing both clearly. Finish by testing. Record a short clip or ask someone to confirm they hear the audio. This verifies both system and mic streams. If participants report no sound, open your OS sound settings and confirm the browser is allowed to capture system audio and that output isn't routed to a muted device. If problems persist, restart the browser, try incognito to bypass extensions, or switch to a different tab sharing method. One key tip: disabling audio-related extensions or restarting the computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.